How to make onion oil for hair growth. Intro. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make your own onion oil at home to promote hair growth. Let's get started. Step 1. Introduction to onion benefits. Before we begin making the onion oil, let's talk about the benefits of using onions for hair growth. Onions are rich in sulfur, which helps in improving blood circulation in the scalp and strengthens hair follicles. Additionally, it is known to combat hair loss and promote healthier and stronger hair growth. Step 2. Ingredients and materials. Here's a list of ingredients and materials you'll need for this DIY recipe. 2-3 medium-sized onions. 1/4 cup of coconut oil or olive oil. Blender or food processor. Strainer or cheesecloth. Glass container for storage. Step 3. Preparation and blending onions. Start by peeling and chopping the onions into small pieces. Then, using a blender or food processor, blend the onions until you achieve a smooth paste-like consistency. Make sure there are no large chunks left. Step 4. Extracting and straining onion juice. Now, take the blended onion mixture and place it onto a strainer or wrap it in a cheesecloth. Squeeze out as much juice as possible into a clean container. This onion juice is rich in essential nutrients that will promote hair growth. Step 5. Mixing onion juice with carrier oil. Next, take the 1/4 cup of coconut oil or olive oil and pour it into the container with the onion juice. Give it a good mix to ensure the ingredients are well combined. Step 6. Infusing the mixture. Once the oil and onion juice are mixed, cover the container and let it sit for at least 24 hours. This will allow the oil to absorb the beneficial properties of the onion, resulting in a potent hair growth oil. Step 7. Applying and massaging onion oil. After the infusion process, your homemade onion oil is ready to use. Take a small amount of the oil and gently massage it into your scalp using your fingertips. Ensure that you cover the entire scalp, and leave it on for at least 1-2 hours. Step 8. Washing and rinsing hair. Once the oil has been on your scalp for the desired amount of time, wash your hair with a mild shampoo and rinse thoroughly. You can also condition your hair if needed. Step 9. Repeat and maintain. To see significant results, it's important to repeat this process 2-3 times a week consistently. Over time, you should notice improved hair growth and overall hair health. Outro. And that's it, folks. We hope you enjoyed this DIY tutorial on making your own onion oil for hair growth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks. To achieve the best results, it is recommended to use onion oil for hair growth 2-3 times a week consistently. Consistency is key when using natural remedies like onion oil, as it allows time for the nourishing properties to take effect on your scalp and promote hair growth. However, it's always a good idea to listen to your hair and scalp. If you notice any adverse reactions or excessive drying, you may want to reduce the frequency of use or try diluting the onion oil with a carrier oil to minimize any potential irritation. Onion oil offers several benefits for hair health and growth. Here are a few. 1. Hair growth stimulation. Onion oil contains sulfur, which is known to help in promoting hair growth by increasing blood circulation to the hair follicles and nourishing the hair roots. 2. Dandruff control. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of onion oil can help combat dandruff, reduce scalp inflammation, and soothe itchiness. 3. Hair strengthening. Onion oil is rich in antioxidants that help neutralize damaging free radicals and strengthen the hair, reducing breakage and improving overall hair health. 4. Scalp health. The antimicrobial properties of onion oil can help maintain a healthy scalp by preventing bacterial and fungal infections. 5. Natural conditioner. Onion oil can help moisturize and condition the hair, making it smoother, shinier, and more manageable. Remember, individual results may vary, and it's important to be consistent and patient when using onion oil for hair benefits. 6. While onion oil is generally considered safe for most people, there are a few potential side effects to be aware of. 1. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to onions or sulfur, which are present in onion oil. If you experience any redness, itching, swelling, or irritation after using onion oil, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. 2. Smell. Onion oil has a strong odor that can linger in the hair. If you are sensitive to smells or find the odor unpleasant, you may want to consider using other hair care options. 3. Skin irritation. Undiluted onion oil can be too strong for some individuals, leading to scalp irritation or dryness. It's a good idea to start with a small patch test and dilute the onion oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, if needed. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or dermatologist before using any new product, especially if you have any pre-existing scalp conditions or allergies. Certainly. Here are a few natural remedies that may help stimulate hair growth. 1. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is believed to increase blood circulation, stimulate hair follicles, and promote hair growth when applied to the scalp. Mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil, and massage it onto your scalp. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has moisturizing and soothing properties that can help maintain a healthy scalp environment for hair growth. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil can help nourish and moisturize the hair, reducing breakage and promoting growth. Massage warm coconut oil into your scalp and hair, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, and then wash it out. 4. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is known for its cooling and stimulating effects. It may help increase blood flow to the scalp, which can promote hair growth. Dilute a few drops of peppermint oil in a carrier oil and massage it onto your scalp. Remember, individual results may vary, and it's important to be consistent and patient when using natural remedies for hair growth. If you have any underlying scalp conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or dermatologist. Hair loss can be caused by a variety of factors, including 1. Genetic factors. The most common cause of hair loss is hereditary and often referred to as male or female pattern baldness. This type of hair loss is typically determined by genetics and hormones. 2. Hormonal changes. Hormonal fluctuations due to pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, or thyroid disorders can contribute to hair loss. 3. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions such as alopecia areata, scalp infections, trichotillomania, hair pulling disorder, and autoimmune diseases can lead to hair loss. 4. Nutritional deficiencies. A lack of essential nutrients like iron, zinc, vitamins D and E, and biotin can impact hair health and result in hair loss. 5. Medications and treatments. Some medications and medical treatments such as chemotherapy for cancer, radiation therapy, and certain antidepressants or blood thinners can cause hair loss as a side effect. 6. Stress and trauma. Physical or emotional stress, post-surgery trauma, or sudden weight loss can trigger temporary hair loss. It's important to note that the specific causes of hair loss can vary from person to person, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or dermatologist for a proper diagnosis and personalized treatment plan. There are several medical treatments available for hair loss, depending on the underlying cause and severity. Here are a few common options. 1. Minoxidil, Rogaine. This over-the-counter medication is available as a topical solution or foam. It is applied directly to the scalp and is primarily used to treat male and female pattern baldness. Minoxidil may help slow down hair loss and promote regrowth in some individuals. 2. Finasteride, Propecia. Finasteride is an oral prescription medication that is mainly used to treat male pattern baldness. It works by reducing the hormone DHT, dihydrotestosterone, which is responsible for shrinking hair follicles. 3. Corticosteroid injections. Injections of corticosteroids can be used to treat certain conditions like alopecia areata, where hair loss occurs in patches. These injections are administered directly into the affected areas to reduce inflammation and stimulate hair growth. 4. Hair transplant surgery. Hair transplant surgery involves removing hair follicles from one part of the scalp, usually the back or sides, and transplanting them to areas with thinning or no hair. This surgical procedure is typically recommended for individuals with significant hair loss or for those who have not benefited from other treatments. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional or dermatologist to determine the most suitable treatment option for your specific situation. They can evaluate your condition, provide personalized recommendations, and discuss potential risks or side effects of each treatment.